Okay, children, which topic we today? Electric current and its effects. Class 7 Subject Science Part 4. Okay. Question 7. We'll do some exercise questions. Will the compass needle show deflection when the switch in the circuit shown by figure 14.15 is closed? What is the question state? Will the compass needle show deflection when the switch in the circuit shown by figure 14.15 is closed? Yeah, answer is no, because there is no source of electric current in the circuit. There is no battery. So it does not show deflection. The compass needle will not show deflection when the switch in the circuit 40 figure 14.15 is closed, because there is no source of electric current in the circuit. That is, there is no battery. Fill in the blanks. Okay. Fill in the blanks question. Longer line in the symbol for a cell represents its dash terminal. It is positive terminal. The combination of two or more cells is called a battery. Combination of two or more cells is called a battery. When current is switched on in a room heater, it dash. It becomes red hot and emits heat. When a current is switched on in a room heater, it becomes red hot and emits heat. D. The safety device based on the heating effect of electric current is called fuse. The safety device based on the heating effect of electric current is called a fuse. Question number 9. Mark T if the statement is true and F if it is false. What is the question here? To make a battery of two cells, the negative terminal of one cell is connected to the negative terminal of the other cell. Is it true or false? No, it is false. Negative should be connected to positive terminal. So B, question B here. When the electric current through the fuse exceeds a certain limit, fuse wire melts and breaks. Is it true or false? It is true. T is the answer. So question C, electromagnet does not attract a piece of iron. This attract spelling is wrong here. So the electromagnet does not attract a piece of iron. True or false? C is false. It is F answer. So D, electric bell has a electromagnet. Electric bell has a electromagnet. True or false? Yes, it is true. Answer is T. Okay. Question number 10 here. Do you think an electromagnet can be used for separating plastic bags from garbage heap? Explain. No. The plastic bags do not get attracted by the magnet. Plastic bags do not get attracted by the magnet. So they cannot be separated by electromagnet. Plastic bags will not get attracted by the magnet. So they cannot be separated by the electromagnet. Plastic bags are not magnetic materials. Plastic bags are not magnetic materials. Only magnetic materials like iron can be attracted by the magnet. Plastic bags are not magnetic materials. Only magnetic materials like iron can be attracted by the magnet. Question 11. An electrician is carrying out some repairs in your house. What is the electrician doing? Is carrying out some repairs in the house. He wants to replace a fuse by a piece of wire. Would you agree? Give reasons for a response. No. We would not agree to allow to replace the fuse by a wire. No. We should not agree to replace the fuse by a wire. Wires in the fuses are of specific melting points. Wires in the fuses are of specific melting points. So we should always use ISI marked fuses in our houses to prevent short circuits. So we should always use ISI marked fuses in our houses to prevent short circuits. Question number 12. Zubeda made an electric circuit using a cell holder shown in figure 14.16, a switch and a bulb. What did Zubeda make? Make electric circuit using cell holder shown in figure 14.16, a switch and a bulb. When she put the switch in on position, the bulb did not glow. Help Zubeda in identifying the possible defects in the circuit. Answer: it is important to put cell in the right series. The positive terminal of the first cell should be connected with negative terminal of the second cell. What you have to do? Positive terminal of the first cell should be connected to the negative terminal of the second cell. The switch should be closed properly and bulb should not be fused. If Zubaida will check this, then the bulb will certainly glow. So what should Zubaida do? The positive terminal of the first cell should be connected with negative terminal of the second cell. Switch should be closed properly. Bulb should not be fused. If Zubaida will check these, then the bulb will certainly glow. Question 13. In the circuit shown in figure 14.17, would any of the bulb glow when the switch is in the off position? What will be the order in which the bulb A, B and C will glow when the switch is moved to the on position? Answer: no bulb will glow when it is in off, switch is in off position. Second part of the question answer is all bulbs will glow simultaneously. All bulbs will glow simultaneously. Okay, children, we'll continue the next part in the next session.